Okay guys, so because I'm waiting for Cubby, I thought I would show you guys a package that arrived for me. Okay, so it arrived in London, but I was already headed to the airport, so I was like, let me take it with me so I can unbox it in Milan. So this box has arrived in London, is now in Milan, and we're gonna open it together. So I'm really excited to open these. It's from Glam Africa, and they have a new beauty box out. So let me show you bird's eye view, and then we will open it together. This is what they sent me. The beauty box. They also sent me the Glam Africa Magazine, and for this issue Davido is on the cover, and I will be reading this in a bit. They always have really good features, fashion tutorials, makeup tutorials, everything, and featuring some like amazing Africans. And now I'm gonna attempt to open the box with one hand if I can. This is harder than it looks, honestly. There it is. This is a Glam Africa box. So I'm going to actually now put my camera down and like talk through everything that they have in here. Okay guys, so first thing I'm going to open up is a big container of clips from All Shades Covered. And boy, this is gonna be so useful. So it's just like a massive roll. Anyone who knows me knows that when I do my hair, I use about 5 clips each time, manage to lose them, and every week I'm going to Boots to buy some more. So this is super useful. Oops. So that's the first thing. Then we have an Iman luxury highlighter. There it is. It's like a little screw. I'm gonna just swatch on the back of my hand. Gold, just gold. Ooh, that is very yummy. Okay, I cannot wait to use this. So I guess you can probably use it as eyeshadow. You can dot it on your nose and your highlight areas. But I just love that color. Look at that. Woo! I love it. Okay, that's really pretty. Next we have a liquid lipstick. Wow, let me get my words right. We have a matte liquid lipstick from Khase. I believe you say it like Khase, as Khase. And this up. Okay, this color. Wait, this color, it looks really epic. A gold. Woo! Okay, so love that color. Really excited to try it. And everyone knows I love a liquid lipstick. And we have now a matte lipstick from Carron Cosmetics. Let's see what this shade is like. This color is like an orangey, like an orange, yeah, like a pale orange. I've never tried this, but it's a really interesting color. So I'm intrigued. Let me try and swatch that on my wrist. If you guys can see, it's like a very pale orange. It's like quite close to my skin tone, so it might actually be nicer on deeper shades. I just love all these unique colors. The fact that this is actually makeup that I can't say I already have, or like a dupe for it or something similar. So this might be nicer for deeper shades, but I am excited to try that anyway and see. Next thing is a brand that I've actually bought before, and this is the Cantu coconut cream, which will be really good for my natural hair when that's out. Oh my gosh, yeah, there we go. Cantu curling cream. I'm really excited to try that out. That will obviously be with my hair. Very cute traveling size, which I love. And then we have a bentonite and goat's milk mask from Bourn, beautiful. So this is actually a hair product as well. Let me open this up. Ooh, that smells nice. Okay, so it's like a hair goat's milk hair mask. So I'll also be trying that when my natural hair is out. Yes. Okay, this is something I love. I love me an eye mask. I love sheet masks and I love eye masks. So this is from B Skincare, and it's a hydrating treatment eye mask for minimizing dark circles. Y'all know I need to do that, as you can see. I'm actually gonna put that in the fridge. I really believe in putting sheet masks and eye masks in the fridge because I feel like it just makes your face even more awake. I'll put that in the hotel fridge. Hopefully they don't see it and like we'll be like WTF. Oh my gosh, you see, guys, Who's watched Lagos vlog? If you have not watched the Lagos vlog, it's in the description box below. Go watch it, because this just shows that these products are actually things that I genuinely will use and will pay money for and have used. Because wasn't I just on a rant about Derma Organics? Wait, right there. The scrub. It's actually in this beauty box. So I've been talking about the scrub, and here it is right here in a good travel size. So I have the big one. So it's actually nice. I can use this when I'm traveling, and I can't even talk about Derma Organics anymore because it's just like a joke now. I love their products. This is a scrub they have. Why am I doing this? You can't swatch a scrub just to smell it. Wow, okay, great. Very happy with that. There's another brand I have used in the past, and this is KeraCare. This is their leave-in conditioner in a cute little travel size. And this is a conditioner I have used before. It's great and it's nice because having this now might get me back into using the KeraCare products, because I'm using, what am I using right now? Something else. But these have always been good. My mum is obsessed with them. So that is the end of the box. We've reached